Hey y'all, Dan here, heading up Rebecca Mountain, and check this out. This is such a beautiful valley down through here. Okay, you can see it right out there. There's smoke rising behind Candler Mountain. It's Candler Mountain, C-A-N-D-L-E-R. Yep, Alabama does have mountains. Let's get going. It is gorgeous. Thanks for joining me today. Let's go walking. You know, some days it's just like your internal motor is hitting on all cylinders, and you can really, it feels right. And that's what today is like. Yesterday, I have to be honest, my knees were hurting as we were going up and down some of those puds, and I was just struggling a little bit. But today it's just feeling great, and got this little rise to go up. But what a beautiful day. It's a neat old tree. Giving it up, look. Beautiful valley. It's gonna be one of those days. I got a feeling it's gonna be beautiful scenes. Glad you're here for me to share. I've said before that trails are marked differently. Of course, you know, rectangle white blaze is the Appalachian Trail. Pinhoti has these blue blazes. They're not like the blue blazes on the Appalachian Trail, and they're not marking either a water source or a side trail there. That is the primary marking for the trail. So as you're preparing for a hike, you need to learn the layout. Then the Pinhoti also has a white triangle with that turkey foot in it. That's my favorite. That is a cool looking blaze. But this is a trail definitely worth hiking. It's has some beautiful scenes. It's good, well maintained. Kudos to the trail maintainers out here. And some would like for the Appalachian Trail to be extended down to Flagg Mountain, and Pinhoti certainly deserves credit and notoriety. I would sort of personally hate to see that, because I think the legend of the Appalachian Trail would consume the Pinhoti, and it deserves recognition all of its own. It's January. Those are frogs. Go figure. It's a neat old tree.
sycamore?
Uh-huh. See Zacchaeus up there?
Yeah.
You know, every hike has its plan, and then the hike may have a plan of its own. So we got a late start due to the snow and ice storm that came in Sunday night, and that sort of set us back. Another ice storm is supposed to be coming in tomorrow. So what we're going to do is from Rebecca Mountain, we'll call that our terminus for this section. So from Flagg Mountain to Rebecca Mountain, that was my original plan. And then I thought that it might be easier to pick us up at Porter's Gap. But this just worked out very well. And it's been a nice day to hike it. Ended up with close to 13 miles for the day, and then tomorrow I'll drive Rick back to his home in North Alabama, and then I'll head on back to North Carolina. But I hope you've enjoyed this first hike of the year, this Pinhoti Trail, and there are more to come. Looking forward to sharing those with you. So until then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay on the path. God bless you.